Industrial motors and its applications. Part 2. Stepper motors. Stepper motor and driver. Stepper motor. Stepper motors moves in step. It has pulse generator in its driver. More the frequency of pulse, faster it will move. We have step angle in stepper motor. Step angle normally is between 0.8 degree to 2.4 degree. So in one pulse it will move 0.8 degree or 2.4 degree depending on pulse angle. Holding torque is an important aspect of stepper motor. So you don't require a brake unless you need to hold load vertically. Inertia of stepper is again a very important aspect. A stepper motor with high inertia is preferred where load inertia is high, especially for applications like indexer or turntables. A stepper motor can be two-phase, three-phase or five-phase. Two-phase motor, the stator is made up of 8 magnetic poles with small teeth, while the five-phase motor stator is made up of 10 magnetic poles. More number of phases of stepper motor, less will be step angle for same. A stepper motor is a special type of electric motor that moves in increments or steps rather than turning smoothly as a conventional motor does. The size of the increment is measured in degrees and can vary depending on application. Typical increments are 0.9 or 1.8 degrees with 400 or 200 increment, thus representing a full circle. One of the beneficial features of a stepper motor is its ability to hold a load in place when the motor coils are energized. A stepper motor price is directly proportional to its wattage, holding torque and inertia value, and inversely proportional to step angle. Size of stepper motor is in millimeters. A 42 millimeter frame stepper motor is as shown in figure. Size can be 56 millimeter, 96 millimeter or so. A good stepper motor should have following features. Price is more if stepper motor has following properties. High holding torque and wattage as per application. Stepper rotor inertia should be high. Step angle should be low. Number of phase of stepper motor should be more. There is a relation between load inertia and stepper motor inertia, and that ratio is very important. Every maker gives acceptable ratio, but as a thumb rule, stepper motor inertia should be 1 by 10th of load inertia. Stepper motors come with dedicated driver, which is mostly a pulse generator, and with 4 to 8 inputs or outputs. Cost of stepper driver is mostly same as motor price. Principle of stepper motor. A stepper motor is an electromechanical device which converts electric pulses into discrete mechanical movement. The shaft or spindle of stepper motor rotates in discrete step increments when electrical command pulses are applied to it in the proper sequence. The motor's rotation has several direct relationships to this applied input pulses. The sequence applied pulses is directly related to the direction of motor shaft's rotation. The speed of motor shaft's rotation is directly related to the frequency of the input pulses, and the length of rotation is directly related to the number of input pulses applied. Step angle. As an example, we need to rotate stepper motor forward and reverse in 9.7 degrees. A stepper with step angle of 0.8 will require 12 steps to reach 9.6 degrees, so accuracy is more. A stepper with step angle of 2.4 will require 4 steps to reach 9.6 degrees, so accuracy is less. Types of stepping motors. There are two main types of stepping motor, two-phase stepping motor and a five-phase stepping motor. Two-phase stepping motor and a five-phase stepping motor differ in step angles as well as in the structure and characteristic as explained in previous slide. Choose them according to your application, purpose and cost to fully utilize the performance of the motor while satisfying your target to the set design. Please note, if load inertia is 10 kg centimeter square, then we must choose a stepper with at least 1 kg centimeter square inertia. This factor of 10 is ratio of load inertia to motor inertia. Speed and torque characteristic. Stepper motor torque varies when we increase speed but not very much, as you can see the chart. So you can say torque and speed relation of stepper motor is nearly a straight line. Stepper motor can be used in a variety of speed, let's say near zero speed to rated speed of 4000 rpm in this case. Load, torque, speed and driver current relationship. Stepper motor load torque varies with rated speed of stepper motor. As per given chart, if we run stepper motor at 500 rpm, it will have a rated torque of 0.32 Newton meter, and if same stepper is run at 3000 rpm, it can be used up to 0.26 Newton meter. Stepper motor current drawn depends on speed and torque. In the chart given, same stepper motor if run at 3000 rpm will draw 2.3 amperes, whereas if run at 500 rpm will draw 0.8 amperes at load torque of, let's say, 0.2 Newton meter. Structure of stepper motor. The major feature of stepper motor is having teeth on its inside periphery of the stator with windings on the outer periphery of the rotor. In addition, permanent magnet is incorporated between the rotors. Rotor rotator of the motor is composed of permanent magnet and iron core. Stepper motor stator which has multiple windings. Stepper motor has small teeth on the rotor or stator. Advantages of stepper motor. Stepper motor has torque range of minimum 0.01 Newton meter to maximum 50 Newton meter, which is applicable from small applications like for wristwatch application to large applications like machine tool industry. It can hold a load without supply of current to the windings or in a power of condition known as dead-end torque or residual torque. More number of poles and natural stop point which helps to move accurately and precisely between the poles. It is low in cost and easily available. It is easy to plug and play and also to set up. It has low acceleration and high holding torque requirement. It has long life due to its frictionless moving parts and only the wear out part is wearing. It is a better option for application of low speed with high precision. Disadvantages of stepper motor. Stepper motor draws substantial power like it remembers holding torque regardless of current torque needed. So it cannot accelerate load very rapidly and motor temperature increases due to high speed performance. It requires more power and reduction in the ideal torque to overcome the dead end torque. The scenario in which it has two varying loads due to its open loop system, it has potential of missing steps which cause machine to run in a little bit of adjustment until the position is reset. Stepper motor creates noise while running. Applications of stepper motor 1. SPM machine application XY axis stable movement. Applications of stepper motor 2. Machine automobile parts assembly automation application indexing of assembly station. Applications of stepper motor 3. Machine, packaging machine, conveyor system. Application, conveyor application. Application of stepper motor 4. Solar grid movement. Application, solar grid movement. All the applications are using Oriental Japan stepper motors. Stepper motor based linear actuator. Stepper actuator is used to convert rotatory motion to linear motion by using ball screw and supported by linear motion guides. The output of stepper motor is joined to ball screw shaft through a coupling. It develops force and motion in straight line and inside rotor there is a threaded precision nut through which linear motion is achieved continuously. Application of linear actuator 1. Machine combination of multiple single axis robots for painting application. Application several single axis robots are interpolated in this application for painting. Application of linear actuator 2. Machine positioning mechanism for jigs and tools etc. Application the magnetic accuracy detector resolver enables use even in adverse environment subject to cutting fluid. Application of linear actuator 3. Machine, stopper and cutting system. Application, cutting resin lens material. Application of pressing function. Application of linear actuator 4. Machine, attaching tape to round work pieces. application. Attach tape to roundwork pieces by interpolating and controlling multiple single-axing robots. All the applications are using Yamaha Robotics Linear Actuator. Yamaha Stepper Actuator Application Video 1. Yamaha Stepper Actuator Application Video 2, showing interpolation of 3 axes. Here some input points are referred from Oriental stepper motors and stepper motor based actuators of Yamaha Robotics Japan. We recommend to use Oriental stepper motors and Yamaha stepper actuators. All trademarks and copyrights acknowledged and belongs to Oriental and Yamaha Japan respectively. Thanks. Part 3 of industrial motors on next YouTube video will be based on servo and linear motors. Please like and subscribe this video. This video is made by Global Technocrats Inc. with inputs from its Japanese principal. Thank you.